A health inspector walked into a restaurant and found rat droppings in the kitchen. The owner slid an envelope across the counter. $5,000 cash. My family needs this money. The inspector thought. His wife's medical bills were crushing them, but he wrote up the violation anyway. The next restaurant offered $10,000. The one after that, $15,000. Each time he said no. His colleagues called him crazy. Everyone takes something, they whispered. Restaurant owners complained to his boss. The pressure mounted, but he kept doing his job. Then it happened. A competing restaurant that had bribed another inspector served contaminated food. 60 people hospitalized, 3 in critical condition. The investigation exposed everything. Corrupt inspectors were fired. The system was reformed. And the honest inspector, he was promoted to chief. People asked him how he resisted all that money when his family was struggling. He said, "Those bribes would have solved my problems for a year, but people could have died forever. Sometimes doing right costs you everything, until it gives you everything that matters."